Hello friends, welcome to Kitchen Alchemy. Did you know that magnesium is involved in over 300 processes in your body, but many of us don't get enough of it? Let me show you the signs of magnesium deficiency and how you can support your body naturally. Magnesium helps with your muscles, nerves, sleep, mood, and digestion. When it's low, your body may start sending you signals. Here are some to watch out for: muscle cramps or twitching, chronic fatigue, anxiety or irritability, trouble sleeping, headaches or migraines, sugar cravings, constipation. Some of these signs are easy to ignore, but remember, your body is always communicating with you. Luckily, you can get magnesium from everyday foods. Here are some of my favorites: oats, spinach, almonds, pumpkin seeds, bananas, dark chocolate, avocados. I try to include at least 2 of these every day, and my body feels the difference. If you're still feeling the symptoms, you might benefit from a magnesium supplement, but it's best to talk to your doctor first. I personally take magnesium citrate in the evening. Tiny habits that could help: eat more greens and whole foods, reduce stress. Magnesium gets depleted by stress. Cut down on sugar and caffeine. Magnesium might be the missing piece in your energy, sleep, or mood puzzle. Try adding a few magnesium-rich foods into your day and listen to how your body responds. Like, subscribe, and follow for more gentle wellness tips from me to you. See you next time.